Good morning. It's Steve, Dichroic Glassman. Thought I would infuse a different video, and it's the woodworking that I do on the side. But I never knew wood and glass share a lot of the same design properties. Yeah, I created the Genesis system a long time ago, a way of seeing and integrating shapes. Spatial reckoning reasoning, if you will. Association of the shapes and how they are harmonious with each other and yada yada and all that stuff without any college education. It's all intuitive. I had no idea that one day I'd be doing some crazy stuff in wood that was very reminiscent of what I was doing in glass. Angles, tangents. This is going to follow itself about right to here, and then another circle will create itself back. It's not quite a circle, but it's a curvature, the way the wood is cut. As long as you maintain the same plane, you can build on any level, on any degree, as long as everything is level and on the same plane. So all this was created actually as an adaptation to the Genesis glass system. It's kind of weird. What would have happened if I'd have known this earlier in life? I never knew I could build a deck. I never knew I had this in me until I started this deck project 3 years ago. I work on it 1 day a week, and this is what I've done. Have I worked on this 100 days? I don't think so. I've moved tonnage of rock and stone with a hand shovel and a pickaxe. No dirt can be taken out without a pickaxe, because this ground has never been worked before. It's not my house, but I treat it like it is. I love it. I love this build. And it's as though something is speaking through me, to navigate my moves. Because this is certainly nothing I've ever done. Oh my God, no. Talking to a deck builder 10 years ago, not so much. How strange. How life throws us some curves. I wish I would have known how to do this years ago. Perhaps I'd be in the deck building business, not stained glass. But I guess, that's a butterfly bush. It fell over last year during one of those hurricanes, strong winds. It had a 20-foot easy wingspan, and now it's making a new run for it. It was clearly over the top of this by about that high, but it went out this far and out this far. It was huge. It was a monster. In fact, all these are pretty much monster plants. These are huge, 5-foot tall plants. This is crazy. So anyway, back to the subject. Showing you the deck. Overall, I don't know how many feet it is. I think it's 70 feet now from that end down to the other end. Nobody helped. I didn't ask for any help. This is a private journey, pilgrimage, if you will. I had to figure these things out. These codes, these formulas, what was I seeing, what was I feeling that I needed to express it in this way. A lot of people come up here and cannot believe something like this could be designed, let alone built. I've got pictures of every step of the way. I don't see what all the fuss is about. It's about maintaining your vision, holding the course, holding the line. My favorite line by Russell Crowe in Gladiator, hold the line. Whatever dream you have, aspirations, visions, hold that line. Feel it. Go with its ups and downs. Allow all the feelings and emotions to surface and challenge yourself. I challenged myself, and I do now. When I come out here, it's still a challenge. Even though you could call it done, that's way not done, because I see more. The more I build, the more I see. I encourage you to do the same. Another way of looking at the Genesis glass system, adaptable to other pieces in life. Oh, one of my favorites. Simple, but I couldn't have built this arch without using my Genesis system. I just used a 2x4 to create that fulcrum, that curve, that perfect curve. So, here we go again, the Genesis glass system. Taking on some new awareness. And you know, there are other crafts that can utilize the Genesis system. It's a way of laying out your glass, components, looking at things in the full picture. Well, here's a glimmer. Hope you like it, my YouTube friends. Bye-bye.